Hi, we'll be back to the Friars Club roast of Nelson Mandela in just a second. But first, have we got something for you?
You know, if you've got drains and pipes, you've probably had a plumber over at one time or not in your life. And we've assembled over 6 of the greatest songs. That's right, 6 songs on 3 CDs. I can see you out of the corner of my eye.
I'm sorry, you just explained things too long.
6 songs, 3 CDs.
Was that so hard?
Go ahead.
One of the great bands of yore, of course, is the Rolling Stones, who are now actually as old as most stones on Earth. And one of their greatest plumber-related songs is, of course, that great song that I'm not stalling. I'm going to tell you what it is. The name of that song is Sympathy for the Roto-Rooter.
One, two! Yeah, baby! What do you do? What's your job? You've got the sick and you know it's clogged. It's the Roto-Rooter, and he has a very hard job. Yeah!
Well, you know he's a real bad shooter. We're talking about that Roto-Rooter. Get on your little motor scooter and give a shove to the Roto-Rooter. Bye.
Simple thing! Simple thing! Simple thing! Simple thing! For the Roto-Rooter! Simple thing! Simple thing! Hey!
Well, let me go on and talk too much about some of the other songs that are on this CD set. You know, there's a lot of songs from this country, but we also have some international hits as well.
Really?
Including one that was on the charts in Germany for 43 weeks. We're talking about that #1 hit, that German drinking song, Who's Uncloggin'?
Ja! Ja, ja, plug in the drain. Who da? Who can explain? Aha, because I'm talking. Das unten Weins und unten unplugging.
The drain is so clogged, and why? It's not fair. It's clogged, it is clogged with all of mine hair. I do not understand. I'm going on a toboggan. Dum chicka bala boom paka mein unclogging.
You know, we have more songs on this CD than you can possibly count. Well, that's not true, but it sounded good, didn't it?
Well, I said earlier there's only 6, but you just keep on talking.
What happened to you? Anyway, we have 6 songs, and we're getting close to the end of them right now. And one of the best songs in this album, it'll get your feet a-tapping and your nose a-twitching and other body parts doing various things.
Mine are starting.
That great 90s R&B hit, You Can't Flush Me Away.
Well, you'll never get rid of me. No one push. You'll never get me to the toilet so you can flush. I'll never leave you cause you've got part of my soul. I'm gonna make love to you, girl, as I'm going down the bowl.
Baby, baby, listen to what I say. You ain't never gonna flush my love away. I'll twirl around any which way you please.
Yeah.
Baby, grab your toilet paper cause I'm begging on my knees. Oh, you ain't gonna flush my love away.
Listen, baby, never gonna flush my love away. No, not the tiny boat man can. No, never flush my love away. Yeah.
Ow.
All right, we'll be right back. Find another winner is. Don't go away.